amigos, welcome back to my channel. Today we're creating an altar for Dia de los Muertos, also known as Day of the Dead. Step by step, I'll explain how and why I make my altar for Dia de los Muertos, recalling our deceased relatives and friends. If you're interested, stay tuned and you can make your altar for Dia de los Muertos. First, what you'll need to get started is you need to get boxes or anything that you can do to make at least 3 levels. The top level is going to represent the heavens, the middle level is going to represent earth, and the bottom level is going to represent the underworld. And so as you get started, you want to make sure that you have this ark also, and this ark is going to represent the entrance of our deceased relatives and friends to come back and visit us. You'll also have papel picado, which represents our fragility and it also represents the wind. So you're going to have the 4 elements in your altar, your ofrenda for Dia de los Muertos. After you created at least your 3 levels, you want to go ahead and cover it with a tablecloth. And then I'd added something festive. I added color. It's all about color and warmth. And then I added a crucifix because it's that representation that they are with God. So I forgot to mention that I also this year put in a backdrop, and I just think it's way more festive this way. And so the time has come for us to go ahead and begin putting our pictures down. And when we put our pictures down, it really is a moment for healing, for recognizing that we miss them and that they're always with us. So I put my mom and dad, my grandmother. This past year I've had a couple of deaths, and my Aunt Anita, my sister-in-law Diane, my Uncle Jesse is here, my Aunt Mary, Michael, who's a dear friend of our family. And as I put their pictures down, I recall how beautiful it was to have them in my life and that they're still with me. And so this is the time now to go ahead and put your pictures down. As I get older, I have more and more pictures, but I have people that are behind me, that are always with me, they're encouraging me through life. And that's what it's all about. So now we're ready for our ofrenda. And this portion, we're gonna go ahead and add in our flowers. And these flowers are marigolds. We call them cempasúchil, and they're really important for this holiday. The scent of this in Mexico is filled with it, and we believe it draws our relatives back. This scent is very distinct. The other thing that we're going to go ahead and add in is our food items and drink items. So we're going to go down the list and think of what are the things that they enjoyed, what did they like, and we're going to make sure that we put this on our offering. Another bread which is distinct is called pan de muerto, bread of the dead. And this bread is typical for this season. If you'd like, I can show you how to make it. Just leave something in the comment and I'll go ahead and show you how I make pan de muerto. And so you want to go through and offer your items right now, all of your ofrendas, your drink, your food items that they enjoyed. So on your ofrenda, you're also going to put in some salt. And again, I think I said this in a previous video, we utilize salt because it's a mineral, and when our relatives come back, we believe that they need that to replenish themselves. And we have water. We're going to have the 4 elements present. We're going to have the bottom level, which is the earth. We're going to have the papel picado, which is the wind. We have the flame now, the candles. And we believe that the candles bring them back also. They guide their spirits back. But another thing is the amalgamation of our faith between our Catholic belief that Jesus is the light of the world. And the next one is that we have incense. And typically we use copal for this celebration. And we believe that the incense is our prayers rising to God in favor of our deceased relatives. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my copal here. And we believe that this incense rises as our prayer rises to our deceased relatives and friends. And here it is, our altar, our ofrenda for Dia de los Muertos. The most important thing is that you remember the joy of having your deceased relatives here with you all the time. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, like and subscribe. We hope to see you at our next video. Thank you so much. Muchas gracias. Hasta la próxima.